Good morning. It's Saturday, March 11th, and it's a beautiful day outside. Oh, watch out for that. This is a very beautiful set. I must say, I love the colors. This was just fun to build. And it was cool to find the little details within while you're building, because at first I wasn't quite sure what I was going to be using these hinges for. But now I understand. They're there to make the branch bend in whichever way you like. So you can set up your own beautiful little scene here. The one thing I don't quite understand, though, is why would they make everything in here brown, but then include one gray piece? That's an oversight there. I wonder if they even make that piece in brown. If so, I would grab one and replace it. Other than that, everything looks great. I also love these little pieces here. I've never seen these before, these little branch-looking pieces. Those are cool. I love the way the birds are shaped. The cute little eyes. It's funny and adorable. And you'll notice this one has its beak shut while this one has its beak open like it's chirping. Oh, gosh, what a beautiful set. I love birds, so I really wanted to get this set. And I would highly recommend it. Excellent. 10-star set. It was very fun to build. So, if you like this, like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.